Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Instagram account. First thing we're going to want to do is open the Instagram account. Then in the bottom right, we click on our profile icon. We then want to go to Account Center. And from here, we want to scroll down till we see Personal Details. And on this page, it's Account Ownership and Control, and then Deactivation or Deletion. We select the Instagram profile we want to delete. We then select Delete Account and press Continue. We then select the reason for deleting our Instagram account. We're then prompted to enter our password. And then we'll be asked to confirm the permanent deletion of our account. And after we press delete account, our account has been deleted. Thank you for watching.